Okay, I don't know who needs to hear this, but holy shit. ChatGPT-4 just released their API to all developers. I am nerding out over this, okay, because I've been building my apps. I've been building some stuff in secret with AI, and I was using ChatGPT-3, and that, no offense, but ChatGPT-3 sucks when it comes to compare to ChatGPT-4. Like, it is 50 to 100 times difference. It's that insane. And I just found out they just released it. And according to this article from arstechnica.com, they said that it was because how I found out was originally when I was trying to use my app, it kept like not working, right? ChatGPT-4 wouldn't work. And on their API, on their website, it said it's waitlist only and they'll be releasing it soon and you'll find out in July or something. So I would just check every fucking day, and every day it wouldn't be released. And now I go and I look at it and it didn't say anything about waitlist. It just said like ChatGPT-4 models available. I'm like, what the fuck? So I looked it up online. Just 3 days ago, arstechnica.com covered this in their article. OpenAI just launched their GPT-4 API for all paying customers. They have officially dropped the waitlist that they were building for this, and now all devs can build build using ChatGPT-4. So if you're a fucking developer, I mean, this should be so exciting. You should be just going out there and building apps and trying something. I mean, it is unbelievable. Like, everybody could build an app now. If you want to build a guided journaling app, you could just build it. Boom, here you go. AI is there. Just put on a front end, charge your customers, wrap it up in Stripe and Firebase for authentication, ship it. You should be shipping as many apps as you can think of. This is just such a huge opportunity, and it's so freaking exciting. I just came here to share this with you because I don't know who else needed to hear this, because I know that I would have needed to hear this because how much I'm nerding out over all this stuff, and I'm building stuff in silence because it's just so much fun. I've been coding stuff for 8 to 10 hours a day over the last few days. So I'm going to get back into that, but you go play around with ChatGPT-4, have fun, let me know how it goes. This is Kazi. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.